Hi, I'm Lou, OptionFlow founder. Welcome to this new video. I share my experience in these videos, my journey with option investments, and I am a high-ticket coach. I mentor investors one-on-one, and I teach them how to create a solid strategy in any market scenario. Investors who are really serious to invest their money, they want to know how to invest, what to do in any market condition, and to collect earning monthly, month after month, year after year. So I teach these investors how to do that. Okay, I have lots of years of experience in the market. I made all the mistakes, every mistake possible. Okay, in option investing. So I lost money. I felt angry. I made all the mistakes possible. Okay, in the world. So I found this strategy working, so it works for me, and I teach investors who wants to spend just a few hours a month investing their money. They don't want to be in front of the chart 8 hours a day, trading, scalping. No, as they want to be as more stress-free as possible with few hours a month, with a great return, but with a low drawdown. Okay, so in a market condition, when the market is bullish, is bearish, is sideways. So I coach one-to-one. So I have two different mentoring programs, and for investors who wants this kind of investment. So this is work. This work for me, and I am a businessman. I don't want to be. I don't want to trade hours a day. I don't want to do scalping intraday. So it's too stressful for me. I mean, it could be really good for returns. I mean, you can earn a lot of money. I know that, and I know people who earn lots of money. Okay, but it doesn't work for me. So I have stress in my business day. Okay, and I don't want to feel stressful when I invest my money earned from my business. So because for me, stress from business and then stress investing the money earned with my business with a lot of stress, okay, no, it doesn't work for me. So I was looking for a method to invest my money as more stress-free as possible. So I work far from the price. Okay, of course, I teach what to do, and I have a very precise strategy. Okay, replicable. So you can do that alone, month after month, year after year, because you know exactly what to do. Okay, so far from the price. So with probability and time on my side. Okay, so this is what works for me. So I don't advise you anything in these videos. I don't advise you to invest. It's only my experience. So don't invest your money if you don't know what are you doing. Absolutely. So feel free to consult someone if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know what to do with your money, how to invest. These are not advices for you. So investing is risky. I don't want your money. I don't tell you what to do with your money, and so on. Okay, so this is my experience, what I do with my money, and what I feel comfortable investing my money, and it's only my experience, period. So don't smash a like, don't subscribe. I'm not interested in that. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a businessman and an investor, and no directional investor. Okay, I don't want to predict what the market will do is going to do tomorrow. Okay, I'm not interested in that, and I don't want to do that. So, in my opinion, it's easier to predict what the market won't do in the following month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, so that's why I love options. Options are the most powerful financial instrument ever created for people. This is my opinion, of course, and especially I love credit spread, vertical spreads, because with options there are lots of strategies, okay, but it's very difficult to know what to do exactly with every strategy, especially alone at home. Okay, this is what I felt. I made lots of courses, option courses, and after every course was great. Okay, I learned a lot, but only in theory. Okay, because when I was alone in my office with my computer, okay, I was feeling I was always feeling okay, great, lots of great strategies with really fancy names. Okay, now what? How I can pick up a strategy? What is the entry point? What should I analyze? And what's the stop loss and take profit? What the money management? And how which one? Okay, I can choose to invest. So it was very it was a mess. Okay, great on the book, very bad alone at home with your computer and your money on the table. So that's why I hate theoretical courses. Okay, it's great. This is only my opinion. It's great for beginners, of course. You need to learn what is an option, what to do. Okay, but then I really prefer to work with someone who tells me do this, do this, do this, and I understand what to do, how to do, and a system, okay, a system that I can do alone at home, month after month, year after year, forever. Okay, that's why I chose to share my experience with few selected investors. Okay, I don't know if you are one of them or you will be one of them. So I work one-to-one. I work with only few investors every month, okay, because I am a businessman, I am an investor, okay, and I work my mentorship programs. I have 2 mentorship programs. I work one-on-one, just few hours a month, okay, so with few investors, because I love practical work. Okay, it's like that. Do this, do this, do this. The following time, okay, let's see what you've done. Great. Okay, let's go further and further and further. And then I have a lot of satisfaction when investors apply and they have really great returns. And they have a system they can invest forever. Okay, that's what I do. That's what I like. That's my vision. Okay, but about investing and teaching how to invest. So I want to show you an investment I made just few days ago. Okay, this is a vertical spread, in particular a bull put in on stocks. This is the ETF iShares Semiconductor. I like this ETF very much, and I invest I often invest in this ETF, non-buying ETF, of course, because I would be directional. I am a non-directional investment. So just to show you, okay, a few days ago, you see the title went up. This is the maximum. Drop down a little bit up. Okay, here. Okay, I went in with a vertical spread for 70. I sold an option for 70, okay, and I bought a 460, okay, expiration date a couple of months. So I have a pop here, probability of profit of higher than 90%. Okay, so just a little bit more than 2 months. So I sold 10 options for 70. I bought 10 options for 60. So net premium about $40 every option. So I collected $400. Okay. ROI, I don't remember, 8%. Okay, it's not so high. Okay, but for a couple of months, it's not bad, okay, because I don't know what SOX is going to do in the following 2 months, okay. It's probable that won't be here, okay. So that's why SOX 470 is here, okay. I sold 10 options. I am very far from price, okay. So about, you can see actual price is about $630. Okay, I opened the strategy when the price was about 600. So yeah, I am okay. So it's good for me, but I'm not interested in what SOX is going to do. So I have 4 scenarios, positive scenarios out 5. Okay, so the 1 on 5 would work against me is that SOX would crash, like boom, with a strong movement, crashing, okay, and coming very, very fast, okay, to my option, okay, to my price of 470. Of course, I have stop loss. I have a probability of profit and time on my side, but I have a 4 stop loss. So it means that I usually my method, okay, is very precise on that. There are very simple rules, and my pop is minimum 85%. Okay, so I don't invest if I don't have my probability of profit lower than 80%. I want 80% or more. So in this case, I am higher than 90%. Okay, it's good for me. So it means that 1 or 2 investments out of 10, okay, I close with the stop loss. Stop loss, lose is normal. Okay, so every investor, okay, lose money. The most important thing is having a strategy. Okay, then you earn more than you lose, of course. And in this case, with my strategy, okay, 1 or 2 out of 10, I close with a stop loss. Okay, but I don't like to choose, okay, with when to close, how to think about, okay, will I close or not? So that's why I have a strict rule also for stop loss. When I invest, I also open as put in the market my stop loss. So the position is going to be closed automatically, one way or another. So 8, 9 out 10 with a profit, 1, 2 statistically out 10 with a loss with a stop loss. Okay, so it's part of the game, and that's why I wanted to be to create this strategy as stress-free as possible. Because if you need to choose, will I stay or will I go, like the song, or should I close the investments or not? When emotions are on the table, it's a mess. It's very, very, very difficult because people don't want to leave money on table. You can, for sure, you will start to think, okay, but I think I'll wait because price will go where I want. So it doesn't work like that. So that's why a stop loss, automatically stop loss, is the best for me. Okay, for my situation, for my for my emotions. Okay, so I like that very much. So that's why I was telling you one scenario out of 5 would work against me. Okay, stocks would falling. Okay, falling down. Okay, my stop loss will work in this case. The other 4 scenario out of 5. What are the other 4 scenario out of 5? If stocks in a couple of months, a little bit more, would be strong high, a little bit more higher too, a little bit more, a little bit down, or sideways. Okay, this is the 4 scenario out of 5 that will work for me. Okay, so in 2 months, a little bit more, if stocks will be higher than 470, I will collect my $400. Okay, it means that the broker, now I have this $400 in my broker account, but they are frozen. Okay, so at expiration day, in a little bit more than 2 months, this $400 will be unfrozen, and broker, I will have this $400, okay, available to spend, to invest, okay, to withdraw, whatever you want. Okay, of course, I have my rules, and I teach rules to my investors, and so I know exactly what to do, how to invest, how to reinvest, how much reinvest, how much withdraw. Okay, so I'm very satisfied when I withdraw. Okay, my profits every month. So usually the 3rd Friday of the month is my day of profit. Okay. And there are some other expiration date during the month, but the main is the 3rd Friday of the month. So it's very, very satisfying. So this is a very an operation, really, as you can imagine, not stressful. Okay, because okay, stocks could do like that, even even lose a little bit. Okay, I am safe, or as more safe as possible, at least. Okay, with my strategy, with my risk management, and yes, I know I could do other strategies with more profit. Okay, with a time frame, a week, a month, 1 day. I know that, but I have 2 questions about that. So what will be the drawdown, and what's the level of stress to invest daily or weekly? Because if you invest in 1 day, okay, the price will be very close. In a week will be close, not so close, but not too much. So 1 month could be there. I invest in approximately 1 month and a half, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, so because this let me, okay, I have rules, of course. So it's not just, okay, invest far from the price and with a pop 80%, 90%, and it's done. No, because far it's not enough. Okay, I have some very strict rules about that. So an investor could could see a chart, and in 2 minutes tell, okay, no or yes, and if yes, just looking for the expiration date, and of course I have my rules, and just in 5 minutes, okay, when you know what to do, of course, just in a few minutes, open investment in the market, and then, okay, let's go doing something else. Okay, this is the way it works for me. Okay, so for my stress, for my mind, for my energy, for my investment, I love options with this strategy. So okay, that's why this is a very nice investment. So sold 470, bought 460. I have 5-6 different protections. Okay, not only the options bought, but I have different protections, so to minimize the loss when statistically 1 or 2 or 10 there are losses. Okay, so it will be under control. Okay, so let's see in a couple of months what SOX iShare Semiconductor ETF will do. And if you're interested in working with me or know what to do, what are my mentor programs, and if something could fit for you, okay, under this video there is a calendar, so you can book a free call with me, 15-20 minutes. So let's see if this kind of strategy, this kind of investment, this kind of way of investing could be good for you to earn month after month, year after year. So guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend, and learn, invest, and invest in options, non-directional investments. Okay.